Hi, Ivy. I am going to make a video for you so that you know how to log into Imagine Learning. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the daily schedule in Seesaw, and then go to the link by the Imagine Learning picture and press on it. Once you get there, this is what comes up. So you want to put in your username, which is 762604, and your password, which is 09072013, and then press Login. So once you're in, this is called your dashboard. So you can see your name right there. You're just going to press on Imagine Learning. And then it says, is your name Ivy? And you'd press yes. And then you would start doing Imagine Learning. Remember, you're not supposed to get help on it really. An adult can help you with little things, but you need to do most of it, because what happens is it decides what you need to learn as you go. And so then it creates a program that is best for your learning. When you're done with the program, you want to press the pause button and then press the red log out button. All right, I hope that helps you know how to log into Imagine Learning.